Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to make your TradingView chart full screen on browser and desktop application. To make your TradingView full screen, you can firstly open your chart. Okay, after that here you will see in your top navigation bar in the right side a full screen mode on your browser, or you can press the Command and F button. Once you tap this button, here you will see the TradingView chart will be expanded to full screen. Okay, now to remove it, you can press the escape button. To make full screen, simple tap this button. Okay, now we will see how we can do in desktop application. So the desktop application are same as the browser. No, nothing and other changes. You can open your chart and then at the top, you can press the button full screen mode. And then the chart will be show in a full screen. Now to remove it, you can press the hidden button. So here is how you can easily make your trading view panel in a full screen. Goodbye.